This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Backup personal files to cloud or external drive because the install will wipe Windows. Once done, install the Chromebook recovery utility in Chrome and gather an 8 GB or larger USB stick. Use a stable internet connection. Make sure your PC meets Chrome OS Flex requirements, RAM, storage, and 64-bit CPU, because unsupported hardware will fail. After confirming compatibility, open the recovery utility and choose to create a Chrome OS Flex recovery image. Follow on-screen. With the USB image created, plug it into the Windows machine and reboot. Press the boot key, often F12, ESC, F9, to choose the USB device. Once Chrome OS Flex loads, choose Try First to verify Wi-Fi, touchpad, keyboard, and display work. This live mode prevents immediate data loss and lets you confirm drivers and performance. Make sure to test peripherals and network. If something fails, try a different USB port or recreate the installer. When satisfied, proceed to the installer option in the launcher. When ready, run the installer from the live session. It will warn that it will erase the internal drive, confirm, and continue. Installation typically takes 15-30 minutes. Once complete, remove the USB and reboot. Sign in with your Google account, apply system updates, and configure Chrome OS settings like power, network, and keyboard layout. If the system fails to boot afterward, recreate the installer and run a recovery. Check BIOS/UEFI settings for secure boot or legacy boot and retry. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.